Today I'm going to show you about some of the choices you have when you are creating a floor plan with ExpoFP and demonstrate how to use the pricing calculator. To start with, here's the page where you will find our pricing information. The main question you'll want to ask yourself to start is whether you want us to professionally design your floor plan, which is option 1, or if you would rather design it yourself, which is option 2. You can then use the pricing calculator to window shop and figure out how much it would cost, even if you haven't yet set up an account with us. If you already have an account with us, you can use the pricing calculator to upgrade your floor plan. Now, the cost of your floor plan is largely determined by how big your event is. Previously, this was determined by the total number of clickable spaces, but now it's based on how many booths you will have. At the top here, you can use the slider to select the correct amount. If you have 100 booths or less, you'll need to select 100. If you have between 101 and 200 booths, select 200 and so on. Please note that if you have more than 1,000 booths, you should contact us for pricing. Once you've entered the booth amount, here's where you select whether you want to do DIY design, i.e. just design the floor plan yourself, or if you want us to design the floor plan for you, which would generally be standard design. If you have a more complex plan, such as wanting additional locations visible on the area map or having many non-rectangular booths, you'll need to select Pro Design. If you're not sure exactly if your floor plan will need standard or Pro Design, you can click here to read about exactly what constitutes Pro Design. Also, feel free to contact us and show us what we will be working with, and we'll let you know whether it will need standard or Pro Design. Okay, moving on. A year subscription is included if you select Standard or Pro Design. But if you select DIY Design, you'll need a monthly subscription for all the features, and you'll need to decide if you want to also accept payments from the floor plan for an additional monthly fee. If we are designing the floor plan for you, please talk to us if you want to accept payments. If you are doing a monthly subscription with DIY Design, you have the option to prepay for a number of months or just pay monthly. If you prepay for at least 6 months, you get a 10% discount. Once you're happy with everything you've selected, you can go here and download a quote PDF to look at offline. And if you're ready to go, click Create Floor Plan. You'll go here, enter the title for your plan, and click Create Plan. It will give you a free 7-day trial plan to start with, which you can later upgrade as needed. I hope that gets you started with ExpoFP, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to get in touch with us on expofp.com.